Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Thursday distributed Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Pmay work order to beneficiaries of Mawlyndep village, Umshting, CNRD block, Ribhoi district, under Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana SAGY2. Addressing the gathering, Conrad K. Sangma said that development should reach every corner of the state. He said that unless development touches the lives of the people of the state in all regions, development is incomplete.
Words are not enough to
be able to successfully implement this project. We must get the public's full support. So our Rangvashrams will have a very important role to play because the money goes into the beneficiaries' account. You have to use the money. And if you do not use the money in the proper manner, then your house will not be complete, you will not get second installments, and that will become a major problem for all of you and all of us. So therefore, I urge that whoever the beneficiaries are, whether it's the PD, whether it's the block development officer, whether it's the Rangvashram, we all have to sensitize our public to make sure that the money that is spent in a very, very good and a proper manner.
The Central Bureau of Communication